Initiative TV, reaching out to the whole.
First Excel Mathematics Teleclass for JSS 3, SS1 to 3, WAEC, NECO, JAM, Post-UTME, and undergraduate students. Lecturing on one by income Excel, an adaptive mathematician. Meet and watch live video of all mathematics topics with an adaptive mathematician on our Facebook page, Initiative TV. Like and subscribe on our YouTube channel, Initiative TV. Instagram handle at Initiative TV. For more information, call or WhatsApp 080-3213-6413, 080-222-04893, 080-8390-0767, or 080-2858-0754.
Learning mathematics at your comfort zone, one-to-one with an adaptive mathematician. Thanks for watching.